Hi Jim, it's Don here with DDS. I just wanted to go over real quick to explain how we go in and bump those ribs. Um, just, I replied to your email saying no charge. I don't want to really do another quote, so I just want to show you quick what I'm going to do here. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to analyze. So I've got some tools to analyze wall thickness and some other feasibility tools inside of TopSolid. I'll select my part, and then I've got three options here as far as what it's giving me. It's asking me, what's your screen orientation, wall thickness, what's your face normal, which is the one we're going to be looking at in this case, wall thickness, and then what's the opening direction for the decided die draw vector that I chose for this part. So we're looking at the middle one here, the blue. I can uncheck the other ones if I don't want it to analyze, but just for demonstration I'll show you. So you can see we're pretty constant about 118 thou. When we get down into the step area, you see that we vary anywhere from a really heavy point of 177 to a thin area of about 100, 101 thou, 104 thou I've seen in areas. Okay? As well, you can just flip the part over, look at your ribbing back here, and again you're looking at the face normal. Just come down and go close to the root. You can see that we're about 43 to 46 there. So I'm going to take 3 thou off per side, roughly. For demonstration, I'll take more off so you can visually see it on the screen. Let's just go ahead and do that. So while we're in this view, I'll just go in and I have an add and remove function here, and I'll go in and remove 3 thou, and I'll pick this side as well as the opposite sides. Okay, and maybe even these faces here. Okay, I know I'm not picking the other sides, but this is just to show you. Say okay, and that'll bump those walls over. Okay, I don't know if you can see it there, but just to show you, I'll go into my history here, and these are all the faces that I chose. There's values there of what I've done. I can either modify it in here, or I can just grab my little wrench, modify and say that I want those to be .01, so 10 thou per side. Okay, it'll be a little more drastic, and you'll see it move on the screen here. Okay, so that's just these easy ones without any rads on them, nice and simple. Up here we have a dog house, and if I wanted to go and change that one, I do have a little bit more work to do. I have some ribs on here. Before I do that, I'm going to remove those ribs. I'll just go into my solids function and remove by extending this, and that. Okay, hit OK. See those radius is gone, and then I'll go back and bump that wall over. Again, I'm going to go 15 thou just so you can see it visually here. Okay, pick that face, hit OK. You'll see I'll have a new function here. I have to remove radiuses, and I made a mistake. I added the matter by accident, so let me go undo, remove matter, hit OK, and it'll bump over the direction that I was supposed to do it in. Okay, if you needed to put the radiuses back on, we'll just go back in and say the 20 thou radius is what they were. And we want it there and here. Hit OK. And put the radiuses back on. Alright, hope this helps. Thanks.